Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the Neeley Analytics Academy, summer of 2025. We stand at the junction of technology, data science, decision-making, and behavior. And companies are looking for people, the world is looking for people that can connect those dots.
This was a week of meeting a lot of new people from different backgrounds, learning a lot of new skills. First day, all went to the lecture hall and then they kind of introduced us into our groups.
So they had us sectioned off into cohorts, and then within those cohorts we had our teams for our group projects, which we worked on throughout the week and presented at the end.
Because they're free.
We had different classes on different skills like data visualization, robot automation.
And now I'm going to drag and drop my folder in here.
We learned a lot, like to work with the software, with Tableau, SQL. We even learned how to do a bot.
I really just expected the camp to be strictly business driven, but we learned a lot about coding, software.
So just a lot more social interaction than I expected, which I enjoyed. I made friends easier. I got to talk to said friends for longer, and that makes it easier to keep up with them after you've left camp.
It was great to meet different perspectives and people from all over with different cultures than me and with different experience to contribute.
My favorite part was getting the chance to listen to professors lecture about topics that I never even knew existed.
What I went into it wanting to get, which was a real insight into the different aspects of data analytics, not just how to crunch the numbers, not just the softwares you need to use.
I just love the environment, I love the people, and I love the campus. I tell all my friends that we need to come here.
It's just a great opportunity to socialize and get to know the campus and learn about business and analytics.